Welcome to our channel, and if you don't want to miss out on our new videos, please subscribe. Disclaimer: the views expressed here are solely for educational purposes and should not be construed as investment advice. You should always research before making any decisions. We do not recommend investing money you cannot afford to lose. Due to the large number of variables that influence Shiba's price, it is difficult to predict how it will change in the future. Administrative crackdowns around the world, remarks by high-profile individuals such as Musk, and other events are examples of this. Shiba Inu could be worth 10 cents by 2030? CoinMarketCap is currently ranked 15th, with a live market cap of $11,807,199,150. Shiba Inu prices currently have 4 zeros, and in this video, we forecast Shiba Inu prices for 2022, 2023, and 2030. Many Shiba owners wonder if Shiba Inu will ever be worth as much as Dogecoin. Shiba Inu forecasts a price of $0.00013314339 in 2022 and $0.000144198 in 2023. According to the calculations, the cost could reach a normal of $0.00020907332 by 2025. However, given the number of holders and the popularity of Shiba Inu, I predict Shiba Inu will reach $0.000092538 in 2022 and $0.0006327 in 2023. In 2024, Shiba, a well-known meme coin, will be worth $0.0023541. By the year end of 2025, Shiba Inu will be trading at $0.0074228. The year 2030 will be the year most people will make a huge amount of profit if they can hold on to their Shiba Inu coins. According to fundamental and technical analysis, Shiba Inu is likely to be trading at 1 cent by 2030. If that happens, if you have at least 10 million coins of Shiba Inu, your coins will be worth over $100,000. Let's take a look at predictions from other crypto websites. The Shiba Inu coin value forecast by Coin Price Forecast for 2025 and 2030 indicated that it could remain volatile, falling from $0.0018875 near the end of 2025 to $0.001800049 in 2026. Then moving to $0.003224556 before the end of 2028, and finally dropping back to $0.003351885 in 2030. In any case, as the publicity fades, I expect some relief shortly. Shiba appears to be in the same boat. Meanwhile, there is speculation that the image coin will be added to Robinhood soon. This is in response to a Change.org petition that was started earlier this year to compassionately request Robinhood to list Shiba Inu coin. Recently, the request outperformed by over 500,000 points. The original target population was 500,000 people, but it has since been increased to 1 million. Shiba can now be purchased on larger exchanges like Coinbase Global. While it appears that the Shiba Inu coin price can rise further, keep in mind that it would have to increase by more than 200,000% between now and the end of the year to reach 10 cents. Shiba coins can be exchanged for more than 300 different digital currencies via Binance's market leading. Binance provides a variety of exchanging sets for Shiba Coin Exchange to address your concerns.